body parts. King and queen. Let's start with here's the base with the tires, and all you do is connect. This is a Hudson Hornet Piston Hook machine from Parts 2. It's all painted, very nice details all over this McQueen. Now moving on to Jeff Corvette. The base with the tires and the top, you just click, and there it is. You have your Jeff Corvette. It has nice little logos on the sides.